guys, it's me, Lil Daddy YT. Right now I'm getting over a major cold. I had a fever on Christmas Eve of 100.5. That's the highest I've ever had. Before that, the highest I had was 100.4, and that was when I was a baby. But anyways, my voice might go in and out depending on what I'm saying. For instance, if I get super excited, my voice will go away completely. I'll start coughing a lot. Ow. And today, me and my mom and my brother, we went shopping with all of our Christmas money that we got from all of our relatives. And my mom's boyfriend's mom gave me a $50 gift card to Hot Topic. I was really excited about it. My aunt and uncle gave me $40. And then, what else was there? Another family member, I forgot who it was exactly, got me and my brother a $25 gift card for Target. And what I bought with the Target gift card was a few things. 2 of them were for myself because I don't like taking showers. I'm one of those weird people who feel like I'm going to get hurt, like the water pressure is too strong or something like that. So I'd rather be in a bathtub. So I bought myself 2 things of bath slime. My mom found it. I've never used it before, so this is going to be the first time I'm going to be using bath slime like that before. But this video is because I got myself another sparkly critter poopsie slime surprise thing. I'm not going to be doing the slime part until maybe another video or something. Or I'll just do it in my own time. But anyways, I haven't even posted the first one yet. It's still in editing. So this is the top. Looks like a soda can and it's really cute. This is the wrap, the outside. I love the glitter on it. I have ADHD, so my brain automatically, when it sees glitter, it goes, boom, glitter. Like, you know the whole thing with Doug in the movie Up? Squirrel. Yeah, it's basically what ADHD people do. Anyways, let's get into unboxing it. I always have the hardest time with these. Ooh. Oh, that scared me. Yeah. There we go. I did it in one go. Finally. Ow. Alright. So, the way you open these, this is different, I think. Yeah, the only thing that is over here with it is over here. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, I might just cough randomly. There we go. Okay, I got some unicorn magic and unicorn shimmer. It is not going to be a rare, or not a rare. Rares can get these kinds of things too. The first one I got was a rare, and it had these things, and it was so cute. It was a little grumpy kitty, and its name was like drama something. And it had these beautiful long eyelashes, and I fell in love with that. Alright. Unicorn magic and unicorn shimmer. I'll be using those in my own time. Ow. Alright. First little blind bag. So the trick with these is you turn it. You try to see which way it's going to turn first. So you press on one way and the other one. So it's going to turn this way. A lot of the time I like to feel it to see if I can tell which one it is. Ooh, this is cute. This is the, ooh, why is it slimy? Okay, that's weird. It was slippery because of the paint or whatever it is on it. So these are the syringes things. You put it in the mouth. Well, first you fill it up with water, put it in the mouth of the poopsie character that you get. Ooh, excuse me. And you you feed the toy, the water, and you put the little binky that it comes with back in its mouth, and you shake it up. And let me put this back in there because, like I said, I'm going to be using it in my own time. Oh, you know what? Never mind. It's going to move around all over the place. So the character will either poop or spit, and it's really cool. The first one I got was a pooper, and the way you know is if it has a heart at the bottom. If it doesn't have a heart on its bum, then it's a spitter. Alright, next blind bag. And it has a rubber band on it, so that is the paper and the instructions. If your thing comes with unicorn sparkle, then it is a ultra rare. Oh, right. Let me get this off. All right. There we go. I got the bag, and the bag that will hold the slime that is inside of that you make with your character. And I forgot to mention, each of the different things, like the little syringe and the little bag that holds the slime that you make with your character, will be parodies of a different kind of food. For instance, the syringe is organic poop. Poop, fart, water, glitters. Poo, voltation. No, poo-volution. I have no idea what the original one is. If you know what it is, please comment. I know what this one is, and this is Poopsie Stinkies. As you can tell from far distance, it's supposed to be Skittles. But it has little tiny poop things on it, and it's super cute. The wrapper got stuck on my shirt. And this is my little spoon that you mix the slime, and you use it to scoop the slime and put it in the bag. In the bag. There, my voice cut out for a little bit. Alright, last one, which is the character. Alright, before I open it, let's open this. I can hear our guests here today, or right now. So there is a sloth, a normal looking sloth, and a pink sloth, duties of the forest. And they are rares. Regulars is Ray, which looks like a little sun. There's Starlight, which has a star face. There's Beam, who has a moon. There's Quacks, which is a rare, who obviously from the name is a duck. There's King, who is another rare, who is a lion. There is a ultra rare, whose name is Stripes. On the back, there is a common called Waves, who is a whale. There is a a rare called Hammer, which is a hammerhead shark. There is a ultra rare in this part, which is under the Pacific, which are those two already that I already said, and then this one, which is Oko, and it's a octopus, and that's super cute. And then there's other ones too. The one that I got before is not on here, so it means I'm gonna get a different one. They're gonna have the long the eyelashes on there. Let's see. It's a full face, so it's not Beam, Starlight, or Ray. Oh my god. I got the sloth. I got Dulce. Oh, it's so cute. Oh my god. That is so cute. Oh my god. I'm in love. He is so cute. You can see the eyes, the beautiful eyelashes on there. I guess it's a girl because the eyelashes, but it could be a boy. Who knows? Boys in real life do have longer eyelashes than girls, so. Let's see. Doesn't even have a booty. It's a spitter. Well, that concludes the video for today. I'm going to be trying to post more after the new year. Well, goodbye, everyone. Have a happy new year, and hope you all had a wonderful Christmas.